Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super easy chicken and rice recipe in your Instant Pot. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a super fast and easy recipe. You're going to love it. It only has 4 ingredients. Let's get to the recipe. So I started this recipe by cutting up 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs into these bite-sized cubes. Now, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of water with the chicken, and then one of these Lipton onion soup packets. You can just throw that in there with the chicken. Got it all. And then 1 cup of rice. Now I'm using converted rice, which is also called parboiled rice, and I just like this because it doesn't get as mushy, gummy, sticky as like normal rice does. But if you only have like long grain white rice, that will also work. And I just sprinkle it on, and that way you prevent the burn error message from happening. Finally, I'm going to add in 4 ounces, so half a brick of cream cheese. I've just cut it up into little cubes. I'm just going to plop it on the top, and we're not going to stir this before we start it. Like I said, we're going to prevent that burn error message from happening. Just kind of go like that a little bit. All right. How easy and fast was that? The hardest part is cutting up the chicken, honestly. All right, we're going to put the lid on tight into place, and then you're going to cook the pressure, or use the pressure cook button or manual button, depending on the model that you use. Make sure it's on high, and we're going to do 4 minutes of cooking time. All right, so it has been done for about 10 minutes now. So I'm going to release any remaining pressure. And then once you can, release or remove the lid. Okay, I'm gonna just give it a stir so that cream cheese kind of melts into it. Now this recipe can easily be doubled. If you have a smaller Instant Pot, you're just cooking for 1 or 2, you can half the recipe. But basically what you have here is like a creamy chicken and rice. If you want, you can add some cheese. Like I have some Parmesan cheese that I'm going to put on top. You can serve this alongside some broccoli, some steamed asparagus, something green and delicious. And it's just a super simple 4-ingredient recipe. Hope that you like this one, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.